welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this gradient text effect on CapCut PC. So add in some colors, and I'm just going to add this pink, like this pastel pink color. You can use any color that you want. Then I'm going to add in another color, like for instance this green one on top. Go and select the mask button, and you are going to select the split, and you're going to feather it out like so. And don't worry about the top, we're going to cover it up later. Now I'm going to add in a yellow, and again I'm going to put it up here, and I'm going to press the split, and then I'm going to pull it down, and I'm going to feather it out just to like blend in the gradients. Then I'm going to add this purple, again using the split to kind of create this gradient. And then I'm going to add this orange color on top of that. And again, I'm going to use split to feather it out. Select everything and then create compound clip. Don't forget the green bit because we definitely missed that. Then go to text and add in any text that you want. I'm just going to type in the word hello. Just a font size, and select like a bolder font. Go to media and add in a black or white background underneath the text. Select it and then create compound clip, and then here go to basic and choose the darken mode, and you can like scale it up a little bit if you can, or add like a, I don't think you can add another background. Hold on, maybe I should adjust the background just a little bit more, and then I will right click, create compound clip, put it on top, and choose the darken mode. And then you'll have this gradient effect. If you want to, you can like scale the gradient down a little bit and like move it up and down to get the color that you want. Like for instance like this one, or like this bit, or even this bit. And yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!